Are you a responsible gun owner?
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 Are you a responsible gun owner? The PNP Civil Security Group would like to advise all firearms holders to renew their license to own and possess firearms and firearms registration within 6 months before its expiry date. Tumawag na at makipag-ugnayan.
Be a responsible gun owner and be a good Filipino citizen.
Huwag maging biktima ng expired mong lisensya.
So yan, Tobski Firing Range, magandang hapon. Ang i-review natin ay Astra na 22LR. Replica ito ng na Walther PPK ni James Bond. Yan. So last time nakapag-review na tayo ng Walther PPK. Pero this time, this is Astra Anceta from Spain, 22LR po, no. So ano magandang feature po nito? Meron po itong decacker, no. So ano ba ang decacker? Pag kinasa natin, may load ang bala. Ayaw natin magpaputok, ibababa lang natin yung decacker, bababa ang hammer, safety ang barrel. Pag ready pumutok, iaangat lang natin yung safety, yung decacker lever. Pagkalabit, puputok po yun. So yun, check natin dito. Ayan, subukan natin kung tatawag yung plate, no? No? Ayan. Maganda, nakita niyo mag-perform, no? Saan po, no? So yun, decacker natin, no?